Boom. Look at that. Got rid of tons of stuff, burned a lot of things. Welcome to another episode of Our Henry Hub. My name is Matt. We are cleaning out our basement. One closet, main area, getting it all done. Here's what it looked like at the start. Jump in the comments if you got something that looks like this. This is real life. After you have kids home from snow days and everyone's home, it turns into a disaster. So we decided to take this disaster and clean it. So here we are, pulling everything out, getting the vacuum ready. Oh, wow, boom. Magic of editing. Looks pretty good, right? We're getting somewhere. This little spot looks good. Oh, no, let's go ahead and pull everything out from everywhere and do that as well, because that's what we're doing here. So back in that room is a little couple of bunks. Had some toys in it with some storage, bringing that out of there to make some more room, put it where the kids are actually using it. Don't love the design here, but it's usable for now until we can get something built in made. As you can see, I like to build stuff in. That whole room right there is 2 bunks and a crib, and it's on a sliding door. I built it all out of 2x4s and stuff. I'm going to put a video up on that because it's kind of a temporary situation. I can do it, but here we are. We had guests. We had to clean the sheets, get everything put back together. It is a job to do this. I should have made a little bit more room when I built this for these mattresses. As you can see, I'm playing with it, jamming it in there, trying to get, once all the covers are on there, it's hard to get in. But so back out to the main space. Now you can see it's dark outside, so it's been hours, and we've been doing this for hours. And there's just stuff galore, pulling it out, tons of things. It was amazing how much you can jam in a spot and never get out. So here we are again, making progress, getting things done. Snow gear needs to be put away. All the toys are ruined that space, but boom, magic of editing. And here we are. She's finished after days, probably. I don't even remember now. We're doing the edits now, but there's the bunk room that I talked about. You can climb up in there. Looking pretty sweet. Here's the living room. It's a very real world scenario here. We have some design aesthetic. We're working toward getting things more toward what we love, but this is what it looks like for now. And it's pretty good. It's a finished basement I finished years ago. So here's the creme de la creme. Boom. Look at that. Got rid of tons of stuff, burned a lot of things. That's it for us today. Join us for the next episode.